Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to check my Facebook login device. For that you have to open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser and log in my Facebook account. Look at the right corner, tap on profile icon, settings and privacy, settings, and left corner see more in account center, password and security, and tap on this. Now shown here your all login devices information. That's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our Tutorial River channel for more video.